If you've ever seen a failed virus detected message while trying to download a file in Google Chrome, you already know how frustrating it can be. In this video, I'm going to show you a safe, step-by-step way to troubleshoot that problem so you can figure out what's blocking the download and get your file when it's actually trusted. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. First, always check if the file source is trusted. Before you try to force any download through, take a moment to look at the website. Chrome can block files for a few reasons. The file might be suspicious, the website may have a poor reputation, or your antivirus software could be flagging the download. So if the source is unknown or looks unsafe, do not try to bypass the warning. Only continue if you fully trust where the file is coming from. Next, restart Google Chrome. Close Chrome completely, not just the tab, and then open it again. Sometimes, a temporary browser issue can interfere with downloads and trigger unnecessary warnings. A quick restart may be all you need to clear the problem and try to download again. Now let's check your antivirus settings. Open Windows Security or your third-party antivirus software and look for real-time protection or download scanning. Temporarily turn that feature off only long enough to test the download. In some cases, antivirus software incorrectly blocks a safe file, even when the file itself is fine, but this is important. Once you finish downloading, turn protection back on right away so your system stays secure. After that, open Chrome and temporarily review Chrome Safe browsing settings. Click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. From there, open Privacy and Security, then Security. You'll see safe browsing options such as No Protection or Standard Protection. Depending on your situation, you may need to adjust this setting temporarily to allow a blocked download to continue. Again, only do this if you trust the file, and make sure you switch the protection back on afterward. If the problem still continues, clear Chrome's cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. In the window that appears, select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. Sometimes corrupted browser cache files can interfere with downloads or cause Chrome to behave like a file is unsafe when it really isn't. Clearing the cache gives Chrome a fresh start. Once you've done these steps, try to download again and see if the warning is gone. The key is to troubleshoot carefully. Never ignore a warning on an unknown file, and always restore your security settings after you're finished. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials, quick fixes, and helpful browser tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.